What really makes people successful and powerful in their life? Robert Greene, the American author, is written in seven international bestsellers that include the 48 Power of Laws. He says people who are born with larger brain or people who are born in wealthy family and able to send their children right to school, that's just matter of luck. But really the mm, degree of degree of motivation is behind success and power. And when you are feel yourself engaged in emotionally in the subject you are learning, you can learn fast than normally you learn. That's